Guys, here's a Hampton Bay Hawkins ceiling fan. I just put it out here just for the heck of it. It's not a good fan. The capacitors failed because until low and medium don't make a difference. Am I still recording? Yeah. Originally I had a full light, but it broke, so I put a 3-light fitter, then that broke, another 3-light fitter, then I switched over to the Panama, and now it has no light. So yeah. So here's low. It starts up pretty quick because it's a 44-inch fan. Goes pretty fast on low speed. Yeah, no, it's medium. Not much of a big difference between low and medium because the capacitor's bad on this fan. So it just goes low, high, and low, and like a fast low. Maybe I'll part this fan out or something. So here's medium. Now let's go to high. Does make a loud hum. Goes pretty fast on high. But high speed still works, but medium speed is just slower. It's just a little bit faster, like a medium low. On low, so it's like a medium speed because the capacitors actually failed for medium. Had to replace it 15 million times. Feel air right through here. Whenever I put a capacitor in, I might have to go low, medium, high like a Casablanca. Let's do spin down. Probably uses a really small motor. That's why these fans are terrible and just junk. I had this thing in my guest bedroom for a while with the light kit, but I took it off. I think I might have to part out this fan or put a new capacitor in it. Reverse. I'll just turn the window fan on to block, or rather, the windows open. So let's go to medium. Get no big difference. Skip to high. Time for startup sound. start harmonics. There's not a big difference between low. I'm just going to show high and medium. Thanks for watching.